Hey guys, we're doing the random now for the Upper Deck Supreme Hardcourt days. It's 5:14 and 18 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we won 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Where are the big names? Spot 4, 18, and 19. And that is complete. And it goes like this. Shane Overend with Thon, Chris Hodge with Dennis Rodman, Nancy with Fultz, Daniel Driscoll with Jordan, Jeff Witkowski with Wiggins, Adam Tucci, Porzingis, Jeff Witkowski, Penny, Leeson, Nick Bowman, Levine, Dale with Julius Irving, Adam Tucci with Hakeem, Chris Hodge with Jerry West, Dale with DeMarcus, Bowman with Elgin Baylor, Mark Chris with Vince Carter, Andrew with Clyde, Dale with Kevin Love, Nathan Bissett with Dirk, Dale with Ben Simmons and LeBron, Chun with George Gervin, Andrew Hurley, Allen Iverson, Dale with Lonzo Mourning, Bowman, Larry Bird, Lembo Curry, Bowman, Major Johnson, Matt Jewett, Jamal Murray, Mark Chris, Cat, and that's